Hey guys, it's Tash and welcome back to the Microsoft 365 SIP. Today we're going to look at a new AI tool called Suno. I wanted to be famous like Dua Lipa, but you just don't quite have the songwriting skills or the talent. Well, Suno is the new AI tool where you just type a song, type the style, and it will generate a song from scratch. You may get to become famous, you may not, I can't guarantee, but let me show you how this tool works.
So open up a web browser and type in suno.com. Now you sign in with a free account, so it's all free. I've already signed up with an account. I just used my Gmail 365 SIP account, and then it asks me, where do you want to start? Now look, I've never used this before, no idea, I don't have any ideas, don't have any lyrics. I'm just going to say I'm not sure at this stage. What vibe do I want? Okay, I want something for the 365 SIP here. Let's have a look what we can come up with. So I want like coffee vibes and technology vibes. Bit of a funky professional tune. Okay, going for something like that there. You can see they give you some recommendations. If you scroll across, you can refresh what you want there. 70s soul, whatever you're kind of looking for there. All right, now lyrics, a few phrases. Okay, so Microsoft 365 SIP for the best Microsoft 365 tips and tricks. Now I don't think this quite gives justice to Dua Lipa, but I'm just showing you basically what I would create because I am looking for a new 365 SIP song, so maybe this could help me create something new to put as my theme song. Microsoft 365 SIP for the best Microsoft 365 tips and tricks. Let's just keep it simple for now, keep it like that. And as you can see, it gives you like a bit of suggestions: my mood, friendship, protest, personal struggle. Maybe you're going through a breakup, maybe you want to make a breakup song, maybe you want to give your friend a song, maybe you want to have a joke, whatever you like to do. So you can have fun with this as well. So go continue. All right, so I've got my little lyrics, I've got my coffee vibes, technology vibes for a funky professional tune and create. Let's see what we get. We're making your song. Excited to see what it makes. Your song is ready. SIP for the best. Okay, let's have a listen.
Morning light on my desk, cup warm in my hand. Open up the day fast with a better plan. Microsoft 365 makes the work go sweet. Docs in the cloud, got that quick repeat. One click, I'm in. Everything aligns from the first sip to the finish line. Yeah. Templates lined up.
Okay, that was pretty cool. I'm not going to lie. I was expecting something really basic because of what I wrote, but it actually talked about the cloud and how productive Microsoft is. So that was pretty cool. I then get a dashboard here, right? And it doesn't stop there. If I don't like that song, I can go and look at other options they've given me. So they've given me another option, I think there. I'll have a look at that in a minute. It might be the same thing. Or you can upgrade for the full song. So I think if you want to pay and get the full song, you can. Otherwise, you can just have the little demo they give you for free. Let's try this one. This looks a bit shorter. What's this one? It's a bit different, see?
Morning light on my desk, cup warm in my hand. Open up the day fast with a better plan. Microsoft 365 makes the work go sweet.
that. That's cool. I can play around with that. You can change it then if you don't like it. So then I could say, if you don't like the lyrics, change it, and so on and so forth. So I guess that's Suno. A quick look at it, a quick demo. You can upgrade to Pro, and I'm sure that gives you plenty more options. But geez, what a tool! AI, where we're heading, and what cool things we can do with this. So there you go. That's how you create a song from just using AI, a few lyrics, a style, and you can get creating and start creating music.
That's a wrap. Thanks for watching, guys. Please like and subscribe and follow the 365 SIP for more tips and tricks.